Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ria and today I'm just gonna take like 5 minutes of your time and let you guys know my top 5 lipsticks under rupees 200 only. I know that some of us are on a budget sometimes, and some of us are college going, and some of us are like saving stuff, and we just don't like spend a huge amount of money on cosmetics or lipsticks for say. So for that purpose only, I have come up with my personal favorites that are under rupees 200, because if you know me, I am a lipstick hoarder. I love lipsticks. I spend a lot of money on lipsticks. Yeah, that is true, but I love lipsticks, and I try to try different brands of lipsticks rather than just buying it from one brand. Of course, I have my favorites here and there, but I try to find newer brands and try like different kind of brands and different types of lipsticks. So today I'm here with my top 5 lipsticks that are under 200. And okay, so I will just shut up and let's get in the video. So starting with the 5th number ka lipstick, we have our very own L18 lipsticks. I mean, I have like 3 of them. These retail for like 100 bucks only. These are the matte ones. You will find it on discount like 90 or 100 rupees ka. And we don't stay for that long, but for like going out for errands or something like that, you just want to have some kind of tint, or these do come in a lot of variety. Like the shades are really matte. These are matte and these are beautiful, but the staying power is a little less, I would say. I have 3 shades and 3 of them are matte, and really the color payoff is also really nice. These are amazing for college going students, because I know when I was in college I hardly had any money left apart from my pocket money. So yeah, I have these 3 shades. So the brown one is called Belgium brown. This is this one. And then the pink one is called Grape Riot. It's the second one. And we have the third one called Cherry Wine. It's the last lipstick. So these are like really affordable choices if you want nice cheap lipstick. At number 4 we have these Maybelline lipsticks. So these actually retail for like 300 something, but you will definitely find them on discount. My dogs here are going mad. Okay, so these you will find them at rupees 200. Not the matte ones, the glossier ones. You'll find it at rupees 200, around approx, on sales obviously, and they are really amazing. I have this shade called Wine Divine. It's a pretty brownish, reddish brown shade, and it's really gorgeous, And then I have another one which is called Choco Latte. It's a really nice nude shade for everyday purposes, and I really like these shades. The color payoff is also really nice. It's like 3 to 4 hours they'll stay on the lips, and these are not matte, but you can definitely make it matte by just like one is a pinkish shade. It's a perfect nude for me, and it is Midnight Plum. And I have a brown one as well. This is the brown one. It is very smooth, and I think you guys will love it. This is in the shade Copper Brown. I actually really love these lip pencils, and these glide on super smooth, and they are quite affordable, and I just love it. I don't know why. And the staying power is like really awesome. Like it stays for 6 to 7 hours or so. I mean, these are really cool, you guys. I think you should definitely try them out. So yeah, these were all the lipsticks that I want to share with you, and I hope this video was helpful and you guys are now sorted for life. If you want any other videos like this, you can just comment down below and I would be happy to help. Let me know if you want something like under 500 or something. I mean, I have a lot of lipsticks to share with you guys. So yeah, let me know, and yeah, that's about it. If this video was useful to you and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such kind of videos. I will see you next time. Bye.